New trick. Not trick, but last week. Lift leg. The leash is caught. Huh? There. Lift leg. No, we're not going nowhere. Lift leg. I could be here all day. You know that. Lift leg. Yeah, Scottish, huh? Got some Scottish breed in there. Lift leg. Lift leg. Oh, stubborn. Lift leg. Oh, that's what we're gonna do, huh? Oh, okay. And that's been a little bit strange lately. Okay, I could do that. I might turn into a snowman by the time we get out of here. Lift leg. Lift leg. I guess you don't want walkie-walkie, huh? No walkie-walkie? I'll go home. Lift leg. Lift, there. Try it again. Now. Lift leg. That was really tangled. Lift leg. Am I going home? Am I going home? Huh? No, we're not going, hey. Lift leg. Lift leg, there, okay. Now there's the other one. Hey. Lift leg. I'll go home. You get me? Lift leg. Lift leg. Lift leg. Why are you stubborn? I'll go home. Lift leg. Wanna go home? Hey, stop. Hey, don't get mad at me. Listen. Hey. There, left leg. Lift, no. Left leg. Hey. Wanna go home? Left leg. Hey. Here, left leg. Left leg. Come on, you stubborn dog. Hey, left leg. Hey, no. Hey, left leg. There, left leg. There you go. Now you're gonna pull the leash. There. Oh, you got tangled again? What's going on here? Here, stay. There you go again. There, okay. There you go. Now he's gonna pull. Now he's mad. Now he's all upset. Enough of this bullshit, he says. Oh yeah. Now he's gonna go crazy. Last time he almost broke my leg. Ma. Hey. Hey. I know, you're fucking pissed. Hey, come on. Yeah, I know you're mad, okay? Listen, I just want to tell you, I just want to show you who's boss here. Ouch! There. Okay, come on. Ouch! Stop it! There.